Modern lifestyles aren't always easy. It's often very stressful, there's a bit of lack of sleep, processed food everywhere, and also lots of added sugar. And the consequences? Well, a weakened immune system, low energy, premature aging, and sometimes there can be weight gain. One of the most effective ways to deal with this is to provide our bodies what it needs most on a daily basis, but is hardest to come by, and that's clean, high-quality, absorbable protein, which you get from Protelicious Gourmet grass-fed cold-processed whey protein. It's a naturally powerful antioxidant and detoxifier. There's no added sugar, antibiotics, or growth hormones. It has a smooth, creamy texture with gourmet flavors, and it's sustainably sourced from grass-fed cows. Protelicious is truly where wellness meets gourmet. I'm Sheila Claudia-Partra. I'm co-founder of Protelicious. I've lived in Hong Kong for years, and Hong Kong certainly has its big city challenges. Add to that I'd recently discovered some health issues in our family, and personally I'm lactose intolerant, so I am looking for some solutions. With an academic background in food science and a deep conviction in the healing powers of food, I turn back to science for solutions. What is the one thing that I can add into our diet which is really going to make a difference and that will also rebuild health and taste good? So I asked my good friend, Dr. Jean-François Lesgar, who's based in France. He's a postdoctorate in biochemistry and chemistry. He's got 20 years of clinical research in nutrition and inflammatory diseases. He gets food and health. And he answers to me, protein. Clean, absorbable, high quality protein. And I say, but Jeff, that is for structure, your nails, bones, skin, muscle. And he said that high quality, clean, absorbable protein is the best way to support your body. Everybody gets that protein will support your muscles and your structure and your bones. But what people don't see is that protein is much more than for the gym. It is the most effective way to support our body to produce glutathione, which is our own master antioxidant and which helps the body reduce inflammation, improve our immune system, detoxify our body, and support our hormone production. But it has to be clean, no growth hormones, no antibiotics, and the real kicker is it has to be cold processed. This preserves all the building blocks of protein known as amino acid. Protelicious is not just a better version of what's out there. This quality is really hard to come by, and when you give our bodies what they need, miracles unfold. The best part though is the taste and the texture. Protelicious comes in naturally unflavored, freeze-dried strawberry and French Valrhona chocolate. It's all natural, no crazy engineering, and with a maximum of 3 carefully chosen ingredients. It's smooth, blends really easily, and definitely not chalky. So it's really versatile, so you can think outside of the smoothie box. In fact, we have a recipe book that all backers get, which includes quiche, gazpacho, chocolate truffles. There's lots of things you can do with it. It's also sustainable, sourced from the most reputable dairy farms in New Zealand, where cows happily graze on grass and live like they should. So why are we on Kickstarter and why are we asking for your support? Getting our hands on this type of whey has been really difficult, but we've managed to secure a high quality supply from the best farms in New Zealand. And with your support, it'll help us scale production without compromising on quality. So thank you so much for backing us.